Hello and welcome to Johnson & Perrott Mahon Point. This is a 2019 192 pre-registration Seat Tarraco. It's the SE model with a 2-litre TDI 150 brake horsepower diesel engine with a 6-speed manual transmission. There is massive savings on this car with only delivery mileage on the vehicle. The SE specification will give you the following. In the front bumper you have adaptive cruise control. You would also have in the headlamps daytime driving lamps LED daytime driving lamps, LED headlights. You also have your fog lamps. Coming along to the side for your alloy wheels, there would be a 17-inch alloy wheel. Your wing mirrors are electrically adjustable, they're electrically heated, and they also electrically fold in. The LEDs will also feed into the rear of the vehicle. You also have the aid of the reversing sensors and the reversing camera. You have ample boot space with the third row seats up. Ample legroom for the third row seat passengers. Ample room for your rear seat passengers or middle row passengers. This car is also fitted with the electric tailgate. The car is also with keyless entry. And push button start. You also have the aid of the electric handbrake with auto hold. You have climate control, air conditioning. Your media system, you have your radio. Your media system. You also have MirrorLink, which will give you the choice of either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. In-car apps, and plenty more to choose. So to get your hands on this bargain, why not contact us on 021 461 5200 or at jpmg.ie, and we'd be most welcome to help you out. And thank you very much for watching.